Now, another tool that was designed to help individuals and teams collaborate more effectively and save valuable time is Zoom Clips. You may be wondering what Zoom Clips is and how it can help you. Well, we all know we can't be in two places at once, right? Well, with Zoom Clips, you can be. Clips was created to help you easily record, edit, and share short-form videos with your team directly in Zoom or externally with customers, vendors, partners, or even family and friends. The use cases here are endless. So let's revisit a typical day in the life of our interior designer, Danny. This summer, her clients are traveling internationally, and she needs to align with them regularly to make key decisions and help keep the project on track. Now, collaborating across time zones can be challenging, so Danny uses Zoom Clips to share personalized video updates to her clients about project progress, changes, or results, improving clarity and engagement compared to traditional email reports. When sharing the video, Danny even uses AI Companion to recommend a video title and description of the audio transcript. Zoom AI Companion will even recommend tags to help Danny keep her client communications organized, all within Zoom. Her clients feel connected to the vision and can't wait to see the end result when they return. Later that day, Danny remembers that it's her brother Mason's 18th birthday tomorrow. Mason is studying abroad in Florence this year and won't be able to celebrate with the family. To send him a little piece of home, Danny records a short video wishing Mason a happy birthday. Now, most of Mason's friends and family will be asleep in California when he wakes up in Florence tomorrow. But Danny's video will greet him first thing, and of course, he'll be thrilled. Feeling inspired yet? All right, let's take a moment to walk through how to record and share your first clip. First up, take a moment to enable Zoom Clips in your Zoom web settings. Now, you can start recording your clip from one of three places. The first way is to start recording directly from your Mac menu bar or Windows system tray. Secondly, you can record from the Clips page on the Zoom web portal, but you can also record directly from within your Zoom desktop app. You have the option to record yourself, your screen, or both, which can be really useful for talking through processes or updates. You can also play around with advanced settings like noise suppression, layout, or virtual background to make your video feel more polished. Next, start recording. While you're filming, you can pause, mute, or delete your clip at any time. When you're done recording, hit finish. Then, once your clip is ready, you can add polish by trimming it down to your preferred length. Next, you'll probably want to change the video title, description, and tags for future discoverability. You can share your video either through email or through a shareable link. Now, if you're sharing this with a large audience, you can even track statistics like views or respond directly to comments on the clip. It really is that simple. With Zoom Clips, you can really be in two places at once, all while reducing the time spent live in meetings. The possibilities are endless. With Clips, you can truly reimagine how you connect and collaborate all through Zoom.